Why do farmers plough green plants into the soil? During ploughing, when soil is dug with a sharp object, the soil loosens. Loose soil holds more air and water, which allows plants to breathe better. Wet soil helps the roots to extract water. Loose soil helps roots to penetrate deep through the layers of soil to anchor the plant firmly as well as to reach a wide area of soil for extracting nutrients. Thus, green plants get the required nutrients. Loose soil also helps manures and fertilizers to mix easily. The growth and multiplication of microorganisms is enhanced if the soil is loose. What will you do if you want to enrich the soil and grow the plants fast? The soil is enriched by adding manure or fertilizer. Manure is rich in organic matter, being the decomposed remains of plants and animals. Fertilizers are commercially produced plant nutrients. A farmer has sown the seeds too deep and very close. What is he likely to observe and why is this so? If the seeds are sown too deep, they will not get enough air for respiration. Germination will be adversely affected as the shoots have to struggle hard through the layers of soil to reach sunlight and fresh air. Sowing seeds at the correct distance is important because they can be eaten up by birds. If the plants are sown too close, they will not be able to branch out properly and will also not get sufficient sunlight, water, and nutrients. A lot of space in the field is wasted if the gaps between seeds are too much. Give examples of at least 3 types of pulses and oilseeds. Pulses, grams, beans, and peas are called pulses. Oilseeds, mustard, sunflower, and groundnut constitute oilseeds. Why are fertilizers preferred over manures? Fertilizers are man-made and totally chemical substances. Manures are rich in nutrients, but some essential nutrients are still lacking. Only fertilizers can supply a balanced mix of nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are required by crops. These chemical fertilizers are a combination of various salts or compounds containing these elements. Some fertilizers contain all these essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They are considered better than manures because they are easy to store and transport and are not voluminous. How is leveling important for plant growth? Breaking down big chunks of the soil to make the surface even is called leveling. The surface of the soil is made even in order to check soil erosion. Leveling of soil makes the process of irrigation uniform. Water can now be supplied evenly to the field. Leveling is done with the help of an iron or wooden leveler. It can be driven by animals or by a tractor. What is groundwater and where does it collect? Groundwater is water found underground in the cracks and spaces in soil, sand, and rock. Any fresh water that lies beneath the surface of the earth is called the groundwater. It is pumped up to the surface by tube wells. These are powered by electric or diesel pump sets. The groundwater from the underground reservoirs is also used for irrigating the crop fields.